Hey everyone, it's Adan here with another tutorial that I'm so excited to share with you, okay? This tutorial is especially, I guess, for naturals who have very fine hair or who have hair where they find it's very difficult to get textured stretched styles. And by that I mean, Bantu knot outs that are very textured, braid outs that are very textured, or twist outs that are very textured. When you have fine hair, it's like so difficult to get the definition that you would get if your hair was thicker. Our thicker hair sisters, it's like they fall out of bed with their twist outs, and they're wonderfully full and textured. And it's just much more difficult to get that look when you have fine hair. The more fluffing you find you do, a lot of times you'll end up with frizz, and then again you don't have any texture really to work with, and the hair is really flat. With this technique, you're going to really be able to mimic more of a braid out because you'll have more of a crimped sort of look to your hair. And I'm just going to pull in so you can see it. This is what I'm wearing now. I actually just completed it. My hair was a little bit wet. It's sort of dried now, but I achieved this fullness with no fluffing. I'll show you how I did it, but before I get to that, I'm going to tell you what you'll need to do this look. You're going to need, or what I used a Kinky Curly product, and this is called the Spiral Spritz. I love this product. I used it like a setting lotion, but I'm going to do a review of this product because I use it a bunch of different ways and I always get phenomenal results. But I use this, and I used my bottle of water just to lightly mist my hair, and then I used one of these. Okay, this is called a crimp roller, I guess, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so your hair goes in here. In this tutorial, I'm unable to show you kind of how I put it in my hair, but I'm going to briefly show you now. So you like grab a section of hair like this, and it's super easy. So you grab it down at the root, then you apply the roller, you flatten your hair in it, and then you just close it like that. And then I coiled my ends so that I could have a nice little finish on the end. If your ends don't coil very easily, all you have to do is just use a flexi rod. You could use that on the end, or you could use a one of those cold wave curlers also will work. And that's it. So I'm going to show you kind of the takedown of this style and all I did, to get this look. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you need a more detailed tutorial, please do let me know. But I was so excited about this, I just had to share this with you now. All right, see you later. Bye.